Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to update your Google Maps application on your smartphone. To update to the latest version of Google Maps on your mobile device, first of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device's operating system. In the search box, type in Google Maps. Look for this application that says Google Maps, Transit, and Food. Check if there is an update button available next to Google Maps app icon. If there is one, tap on update and wait for the update to download and install. But if you see open, that means you are currently using the latest version itself. No need to be updating right now. So that way you can easily update your Google Maps application if you have not yet. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.